The Microsoft Edge browser is even more robust and efficient with the Windows 10 Creators Update. Going well beyond basic web searches, Microsoft Edge provides accessibility features and browsing enhancements that assist educators and students with learning activities. Here are a few new features and enhancements in Microsoft Edge and examples of how educators like you can use them. Web Notes is a very visual accessibility feature in the Microsoft Edge browser. It presents inking, highlighting, and note-taking tools directly on a web page. For example, as my students read about another country for an upcoming geography report, they can write questions in the margins, highlight key vocabulary, and make notes of cultural similarities and differences. This is particularly useful in touch-enabled devices that leverage Windows 10 digital inking. When finished, students can easily save or share notes to the OneNote class notebook. Another helpful feature in Microsoft Edge is the reading list. When I find an article I want to read later, I use the star icon to save it. Instead of selecting favorites, I select reading list. Later, when I have time to read and take notes, I find all my saved articles in the reading list. This is a great time saver and a wonderful way to organize for use later when preparing my upcoming lessons. One new feature in Microsoft Edge I'm particularly excited about is the option to set aside tabs for later. Preparing for an upcoming mathematics lesson, I plan to use some Khan Academy videos. To minimize transitions and maximize student engagement, it's helpful to have videos and websites organized and ready to go during lessons. With the Windows Creators Update, I can prepare tabs on Microsoft Edge, set them aside, and quickly access them again during my lessons for the day. I navigate to the web pages I'll need for my lesson, and I open each page in a different tab. When I click the Tabs You've Set Aside icon in the upper left corner of the Microsoft Edge browser, I can collapse and save these tabs for use later in the lesson. When the time comes to review these, I can view all the tabs I've set aside for other activities by clicking again on the Tabs You've Set Aside icon. Each previously saved tab is represented by a thumbnail of the web page I saved, and as I select one, it reopens in a new tab. The Windows 10 Creators Update includes Microsoft Edge extensions, which enhances the functionality of Microsoft Edge with a variety of educational apps available through the Microsoft Store. From the Settings and More panel, you can view your current Microsoft Edge extensions and visit the Microsoft Store to search for other extensions. Here's a clever efficiency hack. Use the Office Online extension to open Office files quickly. When installed, I can open existing files and quickly create new files right in my OneDrive. So now, as my class and I finish our research from the information in the tabs you've set aside, I can create a new sway right from the Microsoft Edge browser to start our geography presentation. With the Microsoft Translator extension in Microsoft Edge, students can instantly select another language in which to view the web page text. No additional configuration or setup is needed, and students can access a large list of languages. The translator feature is so useful for my students who will benefit by reading text in their native language. These Microsoft Edge browser enhancements provide ways for educators and students to organize resources and content in an efficient manner, which often leads to more engaging learning activities for all involved.